Welcome to part 5 of binomial theorem. ద్విపద సిద్ధాంతం యొక్క 5వ భాగానికి స్వాగతం. ఈ రోజు మనం న్యూమరికల్లీ గ్రేటెస్ట్ టర్మ్ సంఖ్యాపరంగా గరిష్ట పదం గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. In the binomial expansion of 1 plus x power n, the rth term, that is tr, is called the numerically greatest term if the absolute value of tk is less than or equal to the absolute value of tr for 1 less than or equal to k less than or equal to n plus 1. అనగా ప్రతి k value 1 less than or equal to k less than or equal to n plus 1 కు 1 plus x power n యొక్క విస్తరణలోని rth term, that is tr ని మనము ఎప్పుడు సంఖ్యాపరంగా గరిష్ట పదం అంటాము అనంటే tr యొక్క పరమమూల్యము ఆ విస్తరణలోని మిగిలిన అన్ని పదాల పరమమూల్యాల కన్నా ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నప్పుడు అటువంటి tr ని మనము సంఖ్యాపరంగా గరిష్ట పదము అని అంటాము. సో ఈ న్యూమరికల్లీ గ్రేటెస్ట్ టర్మ్ ని మనం ఏ విధంగా కనుక్కోవచ్చు, మెథడ్ ఏంటి దీన్ని కనుక్కోవడానికి ఇప్పుడు మనం చూద్దాం. మెథడ్ టు ఫైండ్ న్యూమరికల్లీ గ్రేటెస్ట్ టర్మ్. If n is any positive integer, and x is any non-zero real number, x అనేది ఒక శూన్యేతర వాస్తవ సంఖ్య అయి n అనేది ఒక ధన పూర్ణాంకం అయినప్పుడు మనము ముందుగా n plus 1 into mod x by 1 plus mod x విలువను కనుక్కోవాలి. ఒకవేళ ఈ విలువ మనకి ఒక it is not an integer, if this value is not an integer, then we have to find the value of m, which is nothing but the integral part of the same value, which is nothing but n plus 1 into mod x by 1 plus mod x. Then the numerically greatest term can be given by t m plus 1. అంటే n plus 1 into mod x by 1 plus mod x విలువ మనకి ఒక పూర్ణాంకము కాకపోతే then we will have only one numerical greatest term. ఒకే ఒక సంఖ్యాపరంగా గరిష్ట పదం ఉంటుంది, and which is nothing but t m plus 1. ఈ m వాల్యూ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది అని అంటే m is nothing but the integral part of this value. And what about the other case? If this value is an integer, then also we have to find the value of m by using the same formula, m is equal to the integral part of n plus 1 into mod x by 1 plus mod x, and we will have two numerically greatest terms which are nothing but tm and tm plus 1. So if this value is not an integer, we will have one numerically greatest term, and this value is an integer, then we will have two numerically greatest terms, and they are given by tm and tm plus 1. Note that to find numerically greatest term, in a plus x to the power of n, we have to write this a plus x to the power of n as, take this a outside, it will come with the power n. So a power n into 1 plus x by a to the power of n. Then you have to find the numerically greatest term in the expansion of 1 plus x by a power n, and finally we will multiply it with mod a power n to get the numerically greatest term in the expansion of a plus x to the power of n. Note that to find the numerically greatest term in a plus x power power n యొక్క విస్తరణలోని గరిష్ట సంఖ్యాపరంగా గరిష్ట పదాన్ని కనుక్కోవాలి అని అంటే ముందుగా మనము a ని మనకి కామన్ తీసుకోవాలి. దెన్ ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ a కామన్ you will get a power n into 1 plus x by a power n. సో ఈ విస్తరణలో 1 plus x by a power n లోని సంఖ్యాపరంగా గరిష్ట పదాన్ని కనుక్కున్న తర్వాత ఫైనల్ గా చివరిలో మనము ఆ పదము లేదా పదాలను mod a power n తో గుణించినట్లయితే మనకి a plus x to the power of n విస్తరణలోని సంఖ్యాపరంగా గరిష్ట పదం అనేది వస్తుంది. Now we will do one problem based on this concept from the exercise 6a. 6a, section number 1, fourth problem, first bit. Find the numerically greatest term or term in the expansion of 4 plus 3x to the power of 15 when x is equal to 7 by 2. x is equal to 7 by 2 అయినప్పుడు 4 plus 3x to the power of 15 విస్తరణలోని సంఖ్యాపరంగా గరిష్ట పదాన్ని లేదా పదాలను కనుక్కోండి. సో ఇందాకే చూసాము 4 plus 3x to the power of 15 ని ఏ విధంగా రాసుకోవచ్చు? 4 plus 3x to the power of 15 can be written as, you have to take 4 common, 4 outside. So if you take 4 outside, it will come with the power 15. So 4 common తీసుకున్నాక you will have 1 here and 3x by 4 to the power of 15. Now we have to find the numerically greatest term in the expansion of this first, and finally we will multiply with 4 to the power of 15 later. Now comparing 1 plus 3x by 4 to the power of 15 with 1 plus x to the power of n, we get n value is 15 and capital X value is nothing but 3x by 4. But the small x value is given as 7 by 2. X value is 7 by 2. So we have to substitute this value here. So you will get 3 into 7 by 2 by 4, which is nothing but 21 by 8. So this is the value of capital X, which is nothing but 21 by 8. Now you have to find the value of n plus 1 into mod x by 1 plus mod x. So this is equal to, what is n? N value is 15. So 15 plus 1 into mod x. X value you got it as 21 by 8. It is a positive number, so its modulus will be the same. So 21 by 8 by 1 plus 21 by 8. So this is nothing but 15 plus 1, 16 into 21 by 8 by, if you take the LCM, you will get 8 plus 21, which is nothing but 21 by 8. 8 goes in this 2 times, and you will get 42 by 29 by 8, and this 8 goes to the numerator. So you will get 42 into 8 by 29, and the value of 42 into 8 is 336 by 29. So is this an integer or not an integer? Let us check by dividing 336 with 29. Goes one time first. So 13 minus 9 is 4, 6, and again one time 29. 16 minus 9 value is 7, 17.0. Approximately 5 times it will go. So this value we got it as 11.5, which is not an integer. Not an integer. So పూర్ణాంకము కాదు. సో ఎప్పుడైతే ఇది పూర్ణాంకము కాదో మనకు ఒకే ఒక సంఖ్యాపరంగా గరిష్ట పదం ఉంటుంది. We will have only one numerically greatest term when this value is not an integer, and that numerically greatest term is given by t m plus 1, where we have to find the m value, which is nothing but the integral part of n plus 1 into mod x by 1 plus mod x, and we got this value as 11.5. So the integral part of 11.5 we have to find. In the last class we have studied what is integral part of a real number. See, 11.5 on real number, real line, this is 10, 11 and 12. 11.5 will be somewhere around here, 11.5. Okay, so the integral part of 11.5 is nothing but the greatest integer which is less than 11.5. పూర్ణాంక భాగము 11.5 యొక్క పూర్ణాంక భాగము అంటే 11.5 కన్నా తక్కువగా ఉండేటటువంటి గరిష్ట పూర్ణాంకాన్నే మనము పూర్ణాంక భాగము లేదా ఇంటిగ్రల్ పార్ట్ అనేసి అంటాం. సో 11.5 కన్నా తక్కువగా ఉన్నటువంటి గరిష్ట పూర్ణాంకము ఏది? 11. So the integral part of 11.5 is 11. So since this value is not an integer, the numerically greatest term is given by t m plus 1, which is nothing but t, the value of m we got it as 11. So 11 plus 1, which is nothing but t 12. Okay, so therefore the numerically greatest term in the given question, that is 4 plus 3x to the power of 15, is nothing but the numerically greatest term in, if we take 4 common, 4 to the power of 15 into 1 plus 3x by 4 to the power of 15. Okay, so this is equal to, which is nothing but 4 to the power of 15 into, what is the numerically greatest term in this expansion? T12. So 4 to the power of 15 into T12 of 1 plus 3x by 4 to the power of 15 we have to find. So this is equal to 4 to the power of 15 into T12, which is given by T11 plus 1 in 1 plus 3x by 4 to the power of 15. So this is equal to 4 into 4 to the power of 15 into TR plus 1 formula. సాధారణ పదము యొక్క formula TR plus 1 is nothing but NCR x to the power of n minus r into a to the power of r. So n value here it is 15. So 15c r value is 11. So 15c 11 into x, the value of is 1. So 1 to the power of 15 minus 11 into 3x by 4 to the power of 11. NCR x to the power of n minus r into a to the power of r. But what is the value of x? X value is given to be 7 by 2. So substituting the value of x here, 4 to the power of 15 into 15c 11, 1 power anything is anyway 1. So 3 into x value is 7 by 2 by 4 to the power of 11. Why? Because it is given that x value is 7 by 2. So this is equal to 15c 11 into 4 to the power of 15 into, you can write this as 21 by 8 to the power of 11. So 15c 11 into 4 can be written as 2 square to the power of 15 into 21 to the power of, we can separate the power to both. So 21 to the power of 11 by 8 can be written as 2 cube to the power of 11. So this is equal to 15c 11 into 2 to the power of, power ki power undi kabatti if you multiply you will get 30. 21 to the power of 11 by 2 to the power of 33. So if you cancel 30 terms in this, you will be remaining with 3 terms. So which is equal to 15c 11 into 21 to the power of 11 by 2 cube is the numerically greatest term in the given expansion. So this is the final value of the numerically greatest term. Therefore, the numerically greatest term in 4 plus 3x to the power of 15. Now we will see one more problem from the exercise 68, section number 1, fourth problem, third bit. Find the numerically greatest term or terms in the expansion of 4a minus 6b to the power of 13 when a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 5. a is equal to 3, b is equal to 5 అయినప్పుడు 4a minus 6b to the power of 13 విస్తరణలోని సంఖ్యాపరంగా గరిష్ట పదము లేదా పదాలను కనుక్కోండి. Now the given problem is 4a minus 6b to the power of 13 which can be written as 4a ni మీరు బయటికి తీసుకెళ్ళినట్లయితే it will come with the power. So 4a to the power of 13 into 1 minus 6b by 4a to the power of 13. And this can be written as 4a to the power of 13 into ఈ మైనస్ ని మనము ప్లస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ గా రాసుకోవచ్చు. సో మైనస్ 6b by 4a to the power of 13. Now comparing this with 1 plus x to the power of n, comparing 1 plus minus 6b by 4a to the power of 13 with 1 plus x to the power of n, we get n value as 13 and capital X value is nothing but minus 6b by 4a, but a and b values are given to be a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 5. So we will substitute here. Minus 6 into b value is 5 by 4 into a value is 3. So 3 goes in this 2 times, 2 goes in this 2 times. So x value we got it as minus 5 by 2 is the value of x. Now we have to find the value of n plus 1 into mod x by 1 plus mod x. So this is equal to what is n? N value is 13. So 13 plus 1 into modulus of minus 5 by 2 by 1 plus modulus of minus 5 by 2. So this is nothing but 13 plus 1 is 14 into modulus of a negative number is nothing but here you will get again 5 by 2 by 1 plus same the 5 by 2 because modulus of minus 5 by 2 is 5 by 2. Now you can cancel this 14 into 7 times. So you will get 35 by 2 plus 5 is 7 by 2 and this 2 will go to the numerator. So you will get 35 into 2 by 7. So which is nothing but 70 by 7. And if you cancel 70 in 7 you will get 10. But what is 10? 10 is an integer. Which is an integer. So ఇది ఒక పూర్ణాంకము. సో ఎప్పుడైతే మనకి ఈ వాల్యూ ఇంటీజర్ పూర్ణాంకం వచ్చిందో then we will have two numerically greatest terms and they are given by tm and tm plus 1. Now so we have to find the value of m first. M is nothing but the integral part of n plus 1 into mod x by 1 plus mod x, but this value is nothing but 10. The integral part of an integer is itself. So the integral part of 10 is 10. So since this is an integer, the numerically greatest terms are Tm and Tm plus 1. That is, the value of m is 10. So we have to find T10 and T10 plus 1. Okay. So T10 in the expansion of 4a minus 6b to the power of 13 is nothing but T10 in 4a to the power of 13 into 1 plus minus 6b by 4a to the power of 13. So this is nothing but 4a to the power of 13 into T10 value. T10 is nothing but T9 plus 1 we can write. So T9 plus 1 in 1 plus minus 6b by 4a to the power of 13. Now this is equal to 4a to the power of 4 into a. What is a value in this question? A value is 3. So 4 into 3 to the power of 13 into, what is the term T9 plus 1 in this TR plus 1 formula? NCR, x to the power of n minus r into a to the power of r. So NCR, what is n? N value is 13. C, r value is 9 into x to the power of, what is x? X value is 1. So 1 to the power of NCR, x to the power of n minus r value 9 into a to the power of r, which is nothing but minus 6b by 4a to the power of r value is 9. Now you can substitute the values of a and b as 3 and 5. So you will get here 12 to the power of 13 into 13 C9 into minus 6 into b value is 5 by 4 into a value is 3 to the power of 9. So which is nothing but 12 to the power of 13 into 13 C9 minus 30 by 12 to the power of 9. You can take this minus outside. Since this is an odd number, you will get minus. So I am writing minus 1 outside into 13 C9 into 12 to the power of 13 into 30 to the power of 9 by 12 to the power of 9. So that you can cancel 9 12. You will be remaining with 4. So the final numerically greatest term, that is the T10, is nothing but minus 1 into 13C9 into 12 to the power of 4 into 30 to the power of 9. And we have to find one more numerically greatest term, which is nothing but Tm plus 1, that is T11 value also we have to find. So T11 in 4a minus 6b to the power of 13 is nothing but T11 in 4a, if you take common outside, 4a to the power of 13 into 1 plus minus 6b by 4a to the power of 13. Okay, so this is nothing but 4a to the power of 13 into T11 can be written as T10 plus 1 in 1 plus minus 6b by 4a to the power of 13. So this is equal to 4a into 4a to the power of 13 into TR plus 1 formula, that is nothing but NCR, N value is 13, CR value is 10 into 1 to the power of 13 minus 10 into minus 6b by 4a to the power of 10. So which can be written as 13C10 into 4 into A value. A value is 3 to the power of 13 into, since this is an even number, minus will become plus. So you will be having 6 into the value of B is 5 by 4 into A value is 3 to the power of 10. So this is equal to 13C10 into 12 to the power of 13 into 30 to the power of 10 by 4 3s are 12 to the power of 10. If you cancel 10 12, you will be remaining with 3. So your T11 is 13C10 into 12 to the power of 3 into 30 to the power of 10. So these two are the numerically greatest term in the given expansion. Thank you.